friends, on today's video, this is a cleaning hack for your makeup brushes and sponges. And what you would need for this hack is some rubbing alcohol, Dawn detergent, just a little bit of water, and a sponge daddy. Friends, what inspired me to do this is that I was looking online for a makeup cleaner or a sanitizer for your brushes, and they were so expensive. So I decided to try to do a hack. And rubbing alcohol dries faster than just using plain water. So that's why you need the rubbing alcohol. Just a little bit of water, maybe 2 tablespoons to 3, and the Dawn dish soap. And you do need a sponge daddy, but if you do not have a sponge daddy, you can use a paper towel. Just as long as you're, dapping it with the paper towel on the sponge so that you can tell whether or not all the product is getting out of your brushes. Now here I did add just a little bit of the Dawn Super Power dish soap, and to give it that extra cleaning. So I hope that this will help you, to inspire you to clean those brushes. And if you have a lot of makeup brushes or sponges, get a bigger bowl. Here I'm just doing a small amount because I don't have much brushes. So guys, let's take time and go over this. Here's my rubbing alcohol, a Dawn dish detergent, and I just put just a little bit of water. Have my sponge daddy, and this is my makeup brush, and you see it does need to be clean. And see how the product is coming off of the brush. Now what is this doing? It's also cleaning and sanitizing and getting all the bacteria out of those brushes. Now you can take it and just let it sit in here for about 5 minutes. It's up to you. It just depends on how often you clean them. Some of my brushes I had to, let sit for a little longer. But I'm just showing you this tutorial to show you that it really works. And friends, if you try this, make sure that you're using a sponge daddy, or a paper towel, so that when you dab it on the sponge or paper towel, you will see your product will come out. And just keep repeating and rinse off your sponge daddy or change your paper towel until you see no product left in your brushes. And instantly after that, rinse with just a little bit of water. Just rinse them off. And that's really it, guys. And I did do a little more sanitizing with it afterwards, because I sanitized the whole handle and everything, and I will show you that on the end. But I hope that this helps someone, that has a lot of makeup brushes. And like I said, you can put it in a plastic cup or a bowl. And if you have a lot of brushes, I only have a few brushes that I use as of now. And I said, really, I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean these brushes effectively, because what I did one time before, I had a nice brush and I set it in the sink and soaked it, and I messed it up. But doing it this way, it really helped me not to mess up my brushes. So I hope that y'all getting something out of this on today. And also, if you were wondering if you had to change your solution after a certain amount of brushes, it's really up to you. I only have about maybe 10 brushes, and this one solution worked, but I think I did change it twice. But if you need to change your solution because you have over 100 brushes or more, that's fine, you can change it. But I'm telling you, this is so much cheaper than you buying those products online that cost over $40 and $50. So thank you so much for stopping by on today. I want to thank my faithful friends and followers. God bless you. I truly, truly appreciate you. I want to thank my new friends on today. And please, y'all leave a comment. I thank God for all of y'all beautiful comments. Okay, now it's really time to see if the solution really worked. I used one of my makeup sponge, which is a white sponge, and trust me, I only had it for about a few weeks. I only used it a little bit, and this will see if this stuff really works on these beauty blenders. And you do know that these beauty blenders will suck up a lot of the product, the water and the alcohol. So make sure you squeeze it out before you try to clean it. And once again, I had used some of the Dawn Power Wash detergent. And try not to put too much, but guys, it's clean. It works. So I was like shocked how clean and pretty this was. And what I did is rinsed it real good to get all the soap out of it. And voila. And this is my finished new better brush. And the thing that I will share with you that I did do is I took some sanitizer, or you can take some alcohol, and I just cleaned all the brushes down because they were kind of like dirty from, makeup and being in my makeup bag. So just take some alcohol, and I had some spray sanitizer that's in the bottle, the ones you sprayed, and I was just cleaning it, and that's all I was doing, and that's what you see me doing. So guys, if you had loved this type of video, please do comment and share with me if you have a hack that you do for your makeup. And friends, if any of you have a makeup hack that I can try, or anyone who comes to the video can try, please comment and let me know how you do it and what you use, and I will do it and try it if you don't mind. And shout out your channel, because I'm telling you guys, we got to help one another out, or any kind of hack that you would love for me to make a video. And guys, if I can do it, I would love to do it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As I always say, God loves you. You too blessed to be stressed. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. Y'all, I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye-bye from Penny.